All Hallows Eve Boutique. It looks really cool. I just saw Amber's face. Obviously, it's a big hit. Wow. We're trying to get our way to Hagrid's. Oh, look at the kitty! Hi, kitty, kitty. We miss our kitty. But we're trying to get to Hagrid's so we can ride it before the storm comes in. There's a dark cloud coming. Some of this is the same stuff that you can get anywhere else. Oh wow, that's an ornament of Boo. Lil Boo. I don't know his name. $20. Is it glass or plastic? Plastic. It's plastique. Anybody want a fanny pack?
No, we have to. I just want to get the
Wow. They have some Torah cards. They have some tikis. We thought about collecting tikis, but we just don't want to like have all this stuff and then have to figure out what to do with it later. But oh wow, here's some cool looking cups. This one actually has like a lip to it, like it looks like a soda can. And you got your whiskey cups and you got your wine cups. And then you have some bracelet. Yeah, it's really cool. This is the shirt that Amber got. Because every day is Halloween.
Here's wolf sage.
Oh, that's cool.
That's what we need.
No, we don't. Amber wants to sage our house, but there's a right way and there's a wrong way to do it.
That's the one I want.
And this is this year's cup that she wants to get. We have like 4 or 5 classes at home. 3?
I got Ghostbusters for being a team member. And we don't want
For shame, girl. She said we only have Ghostbusters, HHN 29, but you said we had 3. Good, how are you? Then you have that. Chris, we got Beetlejuice one. I don't know. We'll figure out. They're all packed up anyway. These are the magnets.
I missed it. That's one of the
Yeah, the next one's coming out tomorrow.
We'll be here tomorrow too.
They're $12. So that's what.
And then they have the voodoo dolls. Now we had some, but I think we disposed of it. We might then. I don't know. We have a crap ton of stuff in our YouTube boxes.
We have 4 of them.
Oh, wow.
For $10.
That's neat. I don't know. $20 a box though to get the whole case. I don't know. I don't know. But this is really cool. They have. I like that lantern. Oh, it is. It looks like them. So there's lightning, and it's down. We'll have to come back later. That means Jurassic's down and all that stuff. All right, we're heading into our normal food place. The 3 Broomsticks. We really do like this place. It's really, really good. Not great. It's good. But here we go. Okay, so we're over here at 3 Broomsticks. You guys have seen this food 1,000 times, but we have rotisserie chicken, gilly water. Amber already helped it herself to butter. And then we had the ribs. Amber actually opted for the ribs this time.
No, that's fine.
What's on your side? I'm going to have to say this is kind of like turning into a trip from hell. Being that like almost every ride that we've been trying to get on has gone down either for mechanical or weather.
Florida.
Is it because we were spoiled for so long, for like 3 years?
Yeah. Does that mean we come back?
I don't know. So, we haven't eaten at the Leaky Cauldron yet. So, that's kind of going to be on our list, I think. Maybe for HHN, we'll venture in. Because Amber has to ride her green guy, so we haven't been able to do that yet.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Well.
We can compare and contrast.
Yeah.
I don't know. We have to see how good it is, or how bad.
I forgot what they have there.
I think it has the same menu. Are you gonna melt?
Oh, it's ready.
I know, I'm going to melt if it rains. So, it's been so hot, I gave in and got Amber one of these. You know, I'm using. It's not as good as the Disney ones.
Yeah, but those are a couple years old anyway.
True. Brian from Echo Child Adventures, signing off. For now. I would argue this is a really cool castle. Is it better than Magic Kingdom and Disneyland and all that stuff? Debatable. So we gave up on Hagrid's. There was, as we were walking over here, there's another lightning strike.
Okay, there's half my face.
So, yeah, we gave up on Hagrid's, and we were walking over here towards Kong, another lightning strike, so we're just like, you know what, I think all the outside rides are done.
Yeah, we'll use our express on the inside.
Because it's going on 7 o'clock, it takes almost an hour for most of these rides to restart. By then it's 8 o'clock and the ride and everything closes at 9. Yeah. You know, and we also got a video, oh, the light photo of our kitty. And Amber, I had to console Amber. She was like really sad.
Whatever, you was the one tearing up.
I was like, I missed that cat. We get back to the hotel and we go, hi kitty. Yeah.
Just kidding.
Yeah. I'm starting to really not liking this vacation. Only for the fact that all the rides keep closing on us that we really want to ride.
And then it's just basically a wash, like literally, because rain and everything else.
And I mean, Spider-Man and Kong and all those rides are decent. Sorry, it's all lightning or something over there.
You keep looking over here.
They're decent rides.
As we're talking, so it's just like
they're decent rides. They're King and Spider are really decent rides. It's just not something I want to go to all the time. You know what I mean?
We go to it like when there's nothing else, or we want to use our express because we haven't used it, or get inside in the AC.
Yeah. You know, and it's just it gets kind of annoying sometimes, you know, and
but that's on us. Like yeah, there's some times where we just like, let's go on it. We haven't gone on it in a while, or we get excited about it. Then other times it's just like
Yeah, and you know, everything at Epcot, everything at Disney Studio or Hollywood Studios, everything at like everywhere we've gone, the ride has gone down. Sorry, I'm just like I don't want to look at you guys in the eye because I'm just so sad. Yeah, I am. Because like there's rides that we really wanted to go on, like Flight Passage went down, Frozen went down, Test Track went down, Seven Dwarfs went down, like.
Yeah, a lot of those.
Like that's one hand.
That's just Disney.
So we're done complaining. We're really glad because tomorrow is our tour that we're doing. We're doing 6 houses, or 5 behind the scenes. They call it behind the screens.
Yeah, I think it's 5 or 6 or something like that.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure it's 6.
And that starts at 10. We'll be done
10 a.m.
Yeah,
we'll be done by 3:30, something like that.
And it's lights on, all that good stuff, so we get to see everything.
So we might be able to record a little bit of like the areas that we can, so we'll try to get that as much as we can.
So that's
and of course we're gonna do it HHN.
Yes. After that,
3rd day, and then we're gonna go one more time.
Yeah, we have 2 more days of HHN. Tomorrow we're doing the Express Pass, strictly Express Pass. So we actually could do all 10 houses tomorrow, which is gonna be a lot of fun.
Hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, and finish shooting our the scare zones.
then we can go back to do a couple more that we like.
Yeah, for sure. But guys, thank you so much. If you made this far, guys, thank you so much.
Subscribe.
Yes, please. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that bell notification if you subscribe, because
sorry of our mess. Yes, we are tired once again.
We are.
We're excited to be like talking to you guys.
Yeah.
We may not show our faces a lot at times because it's really hot, but we do like talking to you guys and getting to know you.
Yeah, sometimes it's just easier to point the camera that way and talk than focus on us, because I'm not coordinated and I probably would trip over Amber. I'll trip Amber or run into somebody.
I already have to hold him some way when we go in the houses because he's tripped before and he gets scared. So I have to go in front.
Well, on that note, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and comment, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye.